Oh, you got that call. So you told. So wait, it was never supposed to happen on Mercy's joint.
Nah, it was supposed to happen on Mercy shit, but I got the call talking about they wanted the return battle. They wanted to do. I'm not them. I ain't gonna keep saying them.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? But you know what I mean?
I understand. Yeah, I know you know.
Or whatever. But I'm like, all right, cool. So I definitely called Mercy for. I'm like, look. I'm like, we got a little situation. We're gonna have to get to the bottom of. Let's talk about it. You know what I'm saying? And he didn't like that. And I guess as soon as he saw that, like, when I said I wasn't going to battle, like, when it was clear that I wasn't battling on URL, I guess he swore up the guard that it was going straight to the track. You know what I'm saying? Because I spoke to Peso, and Peso was like, look, niggas don't want to do the battle, so we going to take the battle and blah, blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? After I got that, no, listen to this funny shit. This is what made it seem funny to me. The nigga said, all right, what we going to do is we going to take the battle, Prez. That's what Peso told me. We gonna take the battle with you and Drake.
Who is that? Who is he?
It's the other nigga from Trap House.
I seen him before.
Yeah, that's Mercy Park. I don't know, man.
My fault. Yeah.
He like your hat, but taller. It's just, the nigga.
Peso slap the shit out of you. Watch your mouth.
No, he won't.
I heard you try to talk to this girl, nigga. That dark-skinned girl. You think I don't know who Peso girl is?
Which one? Which one is this girl?
That dark-skinned girl. What's her name?
First you ain't know the nigga. How did you get?
I know that nigga now. I remember. I lied. I know him. Cause I know him.
I speak to anybody, girl, bro. I didn't know that was his girl.
Nah, I play. I'm lying. No disrespect.
Nah, I probably did.
No. It's
a fact.
No, what happened was how I know who Peso girl is. How I know about Peso is because I was looking for people for the quiet room, and she was interested. And then you know what I'm saying, she was interested in the quiet room, but she didn't tell me that. She didn't tell me that she was the boyfriend, the girlfriend of the nigga that she told me she didn't fuck with nobody in battle rap. But then somebody else told me that was a lie. So then I had an issue with that. But she cool. Salute to her. She official. You know what I'm saying? She showed love and she ride for the Trap House. So no disrespect to her or Peso. But yeah.
Yeah, you basically said who she was.
So at the end of it all, son, the nigga gonna tell me like, yo,
I'm not talking about Ash Cash, nigga.
I'm not talking about fuck
watch
that.
It. Fuck who Ash Cash? I slap fire through Ash Cash, nigga.
You ain't smacking me for nothing.
Fuck you talking about? Ever talk about Ash Cash in front of me?
Ash, V, you
bugging. My fault. Steve, watch your mouth, Steve.
You really
watch
it. See, that's how true it is. That's how true it is.
My fault. You the camera forward.
You wildin'. And it's like about to be green.
Watch your mouth, Steve. Watch your fucking mouth, Steve. Watch your mouth. Go ahead, finish.
But peep this scenario. The niggas say, yo, the battle gonna come to Trap House, son. You and Drake Dennis is gonna go to Trap House. That's what we trying to do. I'm like, all right, cool. They said, okay, it's definitely gonna go down, but I gotta speak to Dre and Smack to see if they gonna let Dre battle. So that sounded wild funny to me. If you already had it down pat, you call me after you spoke to the masses.
Dre may be under contract.
That's cool and all, but don't. Yeah, that's home league.
Oh,
that's trap. You feel me?
Yo, Steve, shut up, Steve.
But nah, at the end of the day, though, why would you tell me that it's going down in the trap, but you need permission? So I'm like, what's this funny shit? So I immediately called bro Nose. Like, yo, son. I'm like, yo, what's the deal? Like, cause niggas is like, is it miscommunication or is niggas just trying to do funny shit? You know what I'm saying? And then they was like, look, it might not go down on URL. A couple of hours later, I spoke to Drake. He was like, which one you want to do it at? We can do it the trap or we go hard. I said, we gonna take it to we go hard. As simple as that. And when I said we go hard, I know that nigga hard dropped to the bottom of the back of his shoe. Wherever it was at, nigga, he lost it. I know that's what got him mad.
Who?
Mercy.
How you feel? I got my man Steve. How you feel about that shit, Steve? Real shit. You heard his side. Let's go.
How I feel about it after like the whole.
What I said, ain't even got half of this shit. Ain't even got to do with that shit. Like Mercy. It's a lot of other shit, but I'm not him, so I'm not gonna do that. Like I'm not gonna talk about that man crazy on. We gonna talk.
Why you said you gonna hit him? But you gonna violate him for?
I ain't saying I'm a violator. I said we gonna see each other and we gonna talk like men.
That's real. I like that. All right. How you feel about that though, Steve?
I mean, basically, a bunch of men feel funny about other shit niggas do. You feel me? Cause that's what it is.
Here you go. Hey yo. However Steve's talking, I didn't give him no liquor, nothing. Don't blame me for nothing, please. Yeah, Steve.
Nah, niggas feeling funny about shit niggas do. Like he feeling funny about shit they did. Trap niggas feeling, the trap owners feeling funny about shit he did. At the end of the day, it is what it fucking is. Like I don't know what niggas expect me to say because I don't give a fuck.
Why you don't give a fuck? Why you don't give a fuck about them, nigga? Fuck you talking about, nigga?
We go hard.
So it don't matter who you are, nigga.
You feel me? I'm who I am. I rep Smack and fucking we go hard. I can't do nothing about that. Like, we have a personal relationship. Me and you feel me? Quiet Room, TCBL, me and Black, but we got personal relationships as men with the owners. Like, you feel me? I'm cool with them niggas, but I don't fuck with them like that. I don't fuck with them. I'm cool with Mercy. I don't fuck with them like that. You feel me? Like,
watch him. Watch your mouth, Steve.
It's fuck the trap as far as they leave. You feel me? Because it's like some rival, whatever. We go hard, so it is what it is.
What happened to Brooklyn Mic Club, nigga?
Shout out to them.
Alright, watch your
That was mad flooring. Where that come from?
It don't matter. I'm trying to bring them back, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga. That's what happened.
Doing good. They just dropped some heat.
They dropped some heat. Shout out to Brooklyn Mic Club and shit. Shout out to, I spoke to some of them niggas. But that's how I felt though. Oh, my fault, Steen. But this is how I felt though, Steen. You my nigga. Me and you got a relationship. You my friend, Steen. Been in my house before and all that. I fuck with you heavy. My main thing is that I'm like, yo, ain't no way Prez is that crazy. Nigga, but Prez says more shit under it, but he ain't gonna talk about it. I respect it. But I'm like, yo, there's no way a nigga gonna offer to pay your debts and start paying, and you gonna just not. You know what I'm saying? But the way he made it seem like is that you ain't
ulterior motives, bro.
Nah, I got you. But he still did it though.
What?
He still already paid. Did he start paying somebody already?
He paid one person because he ain't want them to run up in his shit.
Oh,
they ain't had nothing. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Oh,
you feel me? Like, and that shit got me so deep for the simple fact that you sitting here talk about you grown ass man, you separating your threats in the blog. You feel me, son? But you
wait, stop that. Don't talk like that.
I'm dead.
What does separate your threats?
You talking about two niggas, but you separate your threats.
So stop it.
Bro, the nigga
Mercy my man. Mercy my man, nigga.
Let him be your man.
Fuck you talking about, nigga?
Yo,
don't talk about Mercy like that, nigga.
The nigga said, yo, he talked wild shit about me and still said there's no malice with me and Prez. But I'll go to niggas' houses when it comes to the next motherfucker. And then, you might have issues with some league owners, though. You sound wild, bubbly, and soft, bro. That shit is corny.
Yo, stop.
It is. You know it is.
No, I don't. Hey. I'm laughing because you said bubbly. What does bubbly mean? Huh? Like Jigglypuff?
And towels and clouds and shit and flowers and shit. It's just
so hold on. I mean, they soft, nigga. First of all, because that's the case. If that's the case, you would have met up with him. Y'all could have been met up. Let's talk about that.
Oh, let's talk about that because
I met him. We all meet. Everybody meet up.
I don't do that. Because they didn't call me as a man and tell me like, yo, I'm about to do some shit like.
So you ain't gonna meet. If he would call you right now, like yo, Prez, meet me on 42nd Street right now. You ain't gonna meet him.
42nd.
42nd. Crowded. Nothing could go down. Everybody feels safe.
I see what you're saying.
Nobody can jump nobody.
As soon as that shit dropped, nigga, they talked about this Sincere Cypher shit. I looked on Instagram. I seen Mercy say he was gonna be there, and I pulled up. It's the first event I've been to since I've been home, son. You know what I'm saying?
And you ain't see him?
No. Crickets.
So
it must have been because it was in the action. You feel me?
What you said on Angry Fan Radio that everybody said? He said you threatened him. What you say? You gonna see him?
No, I said he gonna have to see me sooner or later. I'm not gonna talk about this dumb shit and belittle the next man. Like, you know what I'm saying? Later on, future endeavors and opportunity. You never know who you might be able to fuck with and work with again. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not gonna throw niggas under the bus and do what they doing because it's gonna don't make me feel better. That's not how I give it up. So we gonna talk. And if it gets wild in there, then it get wild in there. But I want to talk to them, man.
So what if he slapped the shit out of you?
He slapped me, my nigga. I swear for Lord, son.
I just want to make sure. I just want to know the.
He slapped me, my nigga. And first of all, I'm a wilder fucker. That's a difference. But you ain't even gotta worry about me. It's the nigga I fuck with. I'm joking. Nah, he just said, no. You can't play with me like that. Feel like nigga. Nah, you feel like hand of the God, like nigga.
I could play with you like that, nigga. If he slap you, nigga, you better be ready, nigga.
If I'm ready, he ain't gonna be able to slap me in the first place.
We all got, I got slapped by a girl. I got punched in the face before, nigga. A nigga act like he talking to you and sneak you. We all get, you know, talking about, what's up, man? Bow, that's old school shit.
None of that shit, though. We going
yeah, of course. You're not supposed to be. My main thing, I understand, all right, Mercy, man. Like, listen, man. Y'all niggas gotta talk like men, man. Word up. Word to stack. Y'all gotta talk like men, cause this shit corny. But if y'all wanna...
I believe so, too, though.
Huh?
I believe so, too.
This shit corny. But now I understand. Of course you gonna feel away if you feel a man has ulterior motives, cause I would feel away if a nigga got ulterior motives with anything regarding me. So I can understand what you're saying. I ain't even mad at you. I'm not mad at you at all.
You're not looking at me as a man. You're looking at me as a payday, bro. You feel what I'm saying?